Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create bulk post in Canva for both static images and videos as well. So you can save time and create beautiful consistent content fast. So first we are going to create a static post and then after that I will create a video. The first thing first you have to do is you have to log in into Canva. Just come on their website and log into it. And after logging in, you will get to see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is to simply click on this create design. As you can see in the left, there is an option called create design. Just simply click over here. Now over here you have to choose the social media. Uh, for example, I want to post on Instagram, so I will choose Instagram post. Just simply click over here. Now first we will create the static. So what I will do is I will do fashion related quotes, or what I can create fashion related tips as well. Just simply use the template and go on the chat GPT and search for at least 20 to 10 quotes related to fashion. So chat GPT is created 10 beautiful quotes on the fashion. So just copy all of them and go back into Canva and remove this text and place into the center where you want to show the code. And what you have to do is to go in the apps in the bottom of the left, as you can see here. Just simply click over here and search for bulk. Now as you can see here, there is a option called bulk create. Just simply click over here. Now you have to add your data manually. So what you have to do is to just simply click on the enter data manually. Now just simply click on the clear table and add the text. So as you can see here, it has giving me extra rows. So what I will do, just simply click delete rows. So it will make things more easier for me. And now after adding all the codes, what you have to do is to just simply click on the done. Now just simply, now I have to connect data to our element. So how you can do that? To connect the data, what you have to do is simply click on this text. So in the top you will get to see this connect data option and just search, or what you can do is just click on this style and hit continue button. Now after hitting the continue button, you will get to see this kind of option where you can deselect the code if you don't want any of code. If you don't want, you can just simply deselect that code. What I will do is just simply click on generate all 9 designs. So click on the generate 9 all designs. So it will create 8 different 9 different codes and designs. So as you can see here, the text is little bit big, so I have to reposition it, make it more beautiful. So yeah, so you have to work a little bit on this thing. So if you want to change the images of uh, every post, what you can do is to click on the edit, or you can go back to bulk, enter add manually, click on the add images. From here you can add different images to different codes. So simply click on the choose media or search media. What you can do is to you can upload it, or you can you so we have to upload images first, or video which you want to add. So after uploading, it will appear over here, and just select it and click on the done. So this is for static, and what you have to do is to, after repositioning all static images, just simply click on the download and upload one by one daily. So this is for the static post. Now we will create for video. So what you have to do, just simply click on the Canva and come to this Canva website and click on the videos. Now choose the video type. Right now I want to make Instagram reel. So what I will do is just simply click on the Instagram reel and choose this as a template. Make sure you have created a good video, and I will just retimeline. Make the video good and go again in the apps and search for bulk create. Scrolling down a little bit, you will get to see this. Now you have to click on the enter data manually, clear table, and again you have to add all the codes manually. So remove all the extra rows and columns. If you want to add images, you can do that too by clicking on add image. So if you want to add, you have to upload first. Now I don't need to add images because I'm using the video, so just simply click on the done. Now what you have to do is just simply click on the text, or which text you want to replace. Just simply reposition it and click on the connect data, click on the empty, continue, reselect all the codes. If you want something, if you want a specific code be deselected, then you have to just simply click on this check button, so it will deselect the code. So click on the generate design, so it will generate the design in a bulk, so as you can see here, and just simply click download. So this is how you can create. Obviously this is not good. This is for tutorial. You can you can edit in Canva as well. So make sure you have created a good video and static post, and after creating that you have to download it and upload on social media one by one. So that's it. This is how you can create a post in a bulk. Whether you are doing post or videos, it saves a ton of time and keeps your visual consistent. If you have any question or if you have any feedback related to video, just simply comment it down, and thanks for watching.